Hi Greg, I'm Sri Raman. How are you doing today?
I'm good, brother. How are you?
I'm good. What are these plants?
Okay, so we've got lots of different plants here today that we were talking about and showing people. They're all Australian native plants
Oh,
that have grown here for many, many years. We've got things like Aniseed Myrtle,
oh, okay,
Lemon Myrtle.
okay,
We've got native mint here. That's native pepper.
okay,
We've got lemon tea tree,
okay,
cinnamon myrtle,
okay.
strawberry gum,
All right.
peppermint gum.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we've got Australian native spinach here, Warrigal greens.
Oh,
Saltbush, around Saltbush.
okay.
Yeah, lots of different things there.
So, in one of the dishes that you guys made,
Yep.
it was the Aniseed pepper.
It was mountain pepper, and that's this one here.
Oh,
That's Tasmanian pepper, so
Okay.
that's a bit hot and spicy, like chili.
it can be spicy.
Yeah. What about these guys? This is an Australian lime.
No, I never tried
You
them.
want to taste it?
Yeah.
You hold your finger out, I'll put some on your finger.
I don't want this to be.
And those little bubbles, you can eat them. And they taste like lime.
I feel very, very lucky. Thank you very much.
Wow.
Sour. They're sour, yeah?
They are
But
sour.
they're crunchy, aren't they?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Now she's off. Okay.
It feels like a lemon.
Yeah, similar to a lemon. It's a lime.
I'm so sorry. She
Yeah,
was
sour.
not eating it, and then
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
of course, as soon as I did.
Yeah.
So thank you
Cool.
so
What do you
much.
cook at home?
Okay, she's happy now.
Some Indian traditional food,
Yep. What's your favourite dish?
chicken curry.
All right. I'm going to give you something to take home. You put this in your chicken curry. This is called lemon myrtle.
Oh,
So what you do is you put the leaf into your sauce
yeah.
towards the end of the cooking. The
Good.
flavour goes through. Have a smell of that.
It smells really good.
Take it. Have a smell.
It feels so natural.
It's yummy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You take that, take it home,
Okay.
and put it there, man.